everyone, it's me again, Filipina Unique, and for today's video, guys, is I'm gonna do a house tour here in our house in the countryside. So, before I start, guys, I want to say thank you so much for always supporting to my YouTube channel, and hope you enjoy this video until the end. So let's go! So this is the view, guys, if you are here in the top of our house. So this is my father planting a spinach. And this is our clothes we hang here. because, because guys, we don't have a extra hanger na everyone. So let's go. Sige. So let's go, guys. My father planted a flower, yeah. And this is mananaw. Mananaw na siya. Yeah, and of course, ipakita dito. Papaya and avocado. So let's go, guys. And my father put this sign here, banana. But not yet hinog. So this is our sala. And we're going to sit here, guys, if we have occasion. Yeah, and we have a shorak here. We're going to put our shoes. And of course, we have a chair. If we have a lot of visitors in outside, we're going to use this one. And let's go to inside of our house. So we have a T-ball. Yeah, we're going to use this one, guys, if we have occasion like birthday, wedding, New Year. But in daily, guys, we're going to use our daily table and the kitchen. So we have here a foam sala set, sala set. And we have here a cabinet. We're going to put here our clothes and of course flower collection. My sister collection flower, everyone. And of course we have here a toy and TV and cabinet for the TV and electric fan. And of course we have here a mirror, don't forget that. And of course we have here a altar. Altar, everyone. We're going to pray, or we're going to pray here under the altar, everyone. Of course, we are kanang Diyos nun. Ano sa English ang Diyos nun there? So hot. Yeah. And of course, we have a refrigerator here. The inside of our refrigerator is ice. My father sell ice here in the countryside, guys. 2 pesos each. Yeah. So let's go to here first. Our room, everyone. Let's go. Turn on the lights. So we have here a bed. But as you can see, guys, we don't have a foam because, you know, in the countryside, we did not use a foam here, guys, because it's so very hot. We have a bamboo bed. Yeah, bamboo bed. And we're going to sleep here with my sister. Yeah, sister. And we have a blanket here if we're going to, blanket and pillows if we're going to sleep here. We're going to use that one, but we don't have a foam. But maybe soon we're going to buy foam. Joke lang. If we have a budget, guys. And we have here a laundry basket. We're going to use this. We're going to put here our dirty clothes. And what is the inside of this? Let's go. The inside of this, guys, is plasticware, everyone. Yes, we have a paper plate here. We're going to use this one if we have a celebration like fiesta in our house. Okay. And this one, basta. Stuff. A lot of stuff here, guys. We're going to put here. This is a storage box. And this one is, we're going to put here our shampoo, Bioderm, Safeguard, something like that. Head and shoulder. Okay, I think that's it. So let's go to my father room, everyone. This is my father room. My father sleep here. So my father, this is my father koan bed, bamboo bed, and of course blanket and cabinet, guys, for my father clothes, and my father do have a laundry basket too, and air cooler, everyone. Yeah, and what is the inside? Of course, blanket. And the inside of this is groceries. We're going to put here, guys, if we're going to both groceries for my family. Yeah, we're almost run out of groceries. We need to um vote again. We need to do a grocery again. I mean, I think that's it, and of course, curtain. And let's go to the bathroom, everyone. I'm not gonna show you guys our clothes because I think uh I'm not really messy, not really messy. But I'm not gonna show you. So let's go here in the bathroom. Bathroom. CR. Hala, I think the suga is kuan. Oh, guba. So we have here a drum. We're going to stored here a water. But we have unlimited water here, guys, in the countryside from the top of the mountain. And we have albatross here. And of course, shower curtain and soap. And we're going to put here tap for yeah, for the bathroom. And we have here a brush. And of course, we have here a trash can. And we put here the ano, what's ni? Mop. I think that's all. Our simple CR, simple bathroom. So let's go to I think, guys, the my brother said I already asked to my brother because my brother the one who work build this house. I asked if how much the total cost of this house, but my brother estimate a 600,000 pesos. I'm going to convert that into dollar, everyone, because the materials, it's so very expensive. And then we're going to continue build the house if we have a budget, because in that time my sister working in Kuwait, so that's why we can build a house like this. What year gani ka, sister? My sister working as OFW 2019. Yeah, 2019. So this is the fruits of my sister house. She doing a hard work hard in the countryside to provide a simple house in the countryside. But suddenly, my mom passed away. Yeah. And let's go to dirty kitchen, everyone. Namanoy diri. My brother eating. Yeah, my brother eating, guys. So this is our dirty kitchen. Don't mind, guys, because as you can see, it's dirty kitchen, so a little bit dirty. So we're going to use a firewood because we don't have a stove here in the countryside. And look at the pot or caldero. This is caldero in Bisaya, guys. It's so very dark because we use a firewood. And this is our, ay, pakita kayo. A little bit lababo. Sa English ng lababo there? Dish. What? Yeah. Dishwasher, ano ba? And we have a sa mani this drainer. Yeah, and we have a native jar here, guys, from how many years now, guys, but still, yeah, working. And we have a table here, and my brother is eating. Hi, said Noy, oy. Hi, everyone. Ina, let's eat. Let's eat. Banana.
Banana.
Yeah, and kuan, if we're going to relax, guys, we have a bed here in the kitchen. And we have a drawer as well, guys. We're going to we're going to put here the rug, everyone. So I think that's all. Yeah. My sister is just arrived from Manghihilot, guys. Naari lang. Ari-ari ka. And I think, guys, that's all for today's video, and hope you really enjoy this video, and hope you still support to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Bye-bye, and I love you all.